traders, welcome on a Monday Focus. It was scheduled for Sunday, obviously, but I was busy, I was out, and we had to do it on Monday. So here we are with the classic Sunday Focus stream. We'll be covering the plan for upcoming 5 days on basically the free pairs that I trade. Nothing really special today. Let me just check if everything is running. Hello. Yes, seems like everything is running well. Hi, Diego. Diego, guys. Welcome back. So, let's talk about the plan. What I was posting on Euro USD, this was posted on Saturday, I believe, before I left for the brainstorming session that we had with the team over the weekend, is that this 4-hour demand is currently holding the price, and it's extremely important now. I said that the perfect scenario would be sweeping the liquidity below the low, not breaking the demand, and getting another move up and breaking the internal high, which in the end we can check what happened. We didn't sweep the liquidity, unfortunately. Plenty of liquidity was below the lows here, and I was really looking for just sweeping this level, getting into even bigger long position, and basically looking for a move up. This didn't play out. My long position, though, played out. Let's say it this way. So if you guys remember, last Thursday on a live stream, I said that we are looking for a move up, and I took 2 long positions on Euro USD. They were based on fundamental analysis. They were also based on the technical analysis, and this is how it played out. On this setup, I made a little over 2,000. I can check. I was trading this on the FXE5 funded account, not on the 4Traders. But this was approximately almost $3,000, basically like 2,800, something like this. And this is the position that I took. I was closing the trade at 1085.24, which if we check this, 1085.24, that is basically right here. So pretty good closing price, not really a good risk to reward, since I was taking a trade basically on the low right here after the PMI. My stop loss was below the lows here and the TP right here. So 2.3 risk to reward. You know, nothing really special, but you see that's why I made $2,800, risking 1%. I took a little bit bigger risk, but this was the position. This is how it played out. So you're not here to see what happened. You are here what is likely to happen in the upcoming days. So let's check in. From the fundamental perspective, Euro USD is bullish, dollar index is bearish in my opinion, and I would be looking for a further move down. That is the first thing that I am currently paying attention to. DXY, this demand right here, be aware of this level. From my experience and from what I do and what I use, DXY is not really respecting TA that well as Euro USD, for example. So I'm not really looking for a big move out of this level. I would rather be looking for breaking this level basically, this demand, and going all the way down here, which means Euro USD will be bullish for the upcoming days. How can you combine this with the technical analysis? Well, very simply, first level that you have is the supply on 4-hour time frame right here. This level is, I would say, pretty important, and you got to be aware of it. Second level is going to be the high right here, which is a huge liquidity pool on the chart. And I personally believe that we are coming to this level this week in upcoming few days. So from what I'm saying, you can already hear that we are looking for long positions only. Not really for short positions now, because I do believe that we are looking for move all the way up to the liquidity level up here. And that is basically my overall plan. When looking at the 15-minute time frame, a few levels that are, I would say, pretty important and also can be providing like a decent entry to a position. So level number 1 is going to be this negative point of control down there. Quite far away. I don't really believe that we're going to get to this level. Level number 2 is going to be this demand that is right here. And this level is much more likely to be hit in my opinion, to be tapped. So this is the plan for tomorrow. I will be looking for sweeping this level, coming down here, sweeping the level, and then coming up. It's all about creating bias. It's all about combining the fundamental analysis with the technical analysis. But you know how I trade, you know what I do, and this is the plan currently. Why is this level so important? Well, you also have a liquidity here. So in my opinion, the perfect scenario would actually be coming up above this high. Still a little bit sick. Sorry for that. Coming up above this high, creating like a fake breakout. So a lot of people will go and start longing. This will create plenty of liquidity below the low. Thus, this means I would be looking for move down, sweeping the liquidity, hitting the demand, and then looking for a move up. So this would be the plan, the ideal scenario that I currently have on a chart. When pulling this tool, it also shows you that there is a 618 and a 66, classic Fibonacci retracement, nothing really special. And I wouldn't really say that you gotta pay too much attention to it. Just be aware of this level and make sure that you know that the level is here. The supply level is a huge magnet, so bullish bias is valid, adding it to my confluence. I do agree with you, and yes, I do it, or I use it this way too, that if you have like a very big supply or demand, it's basically a magnet and you can be targeting these levels. So personally, I do believe that Euro USD is coming up, and there is only one potential plan that I currently have, and that is retracement back down, sweeping the liquidity, and then looking for a move up. That's really all that I'm currently paying attention to on the chart as we are speaking. All right, so let's pay attention to gold. What is happening on gold chart? Gold is currently retracing from the supply level that I was also mentioning. Once again, nothing really special. If you are from Czechia, then check out my new module on my CW trading community, because we are covering this level, or we are covering this approach, this trading approach, and as you can see, these levels are working pretty well if you know how to use them. But obviously, second level that we are looking for is this demand zone on 4-hour time frame. Once again, we're going to combine it with a few more. So this is the demand, level number 1. When opening the SVP session volume profile, if there's going to be any naked point of control, this will act like a magnet. The price will be attracted to it. So at the moment, I don't really see any naked POC. Yeah, we are currently stopping at the naked POC that we got here. So the only plan that we can use and the only levels that we can pay attention to at the moment, pretty hard to find on a gold chart, but I would personally be looking for the zone right here. So basically the same thing as on the 4-hour time frame, something between 21 and basically 2016. When looking at the naked POC again, the high volume node basically comes at around 21. So if I have to give you one precise level, it's going to be this one right here, 2021. Right there. So that's going to be the key level on the gold chart. Once again, combining this with the market structure, combining this with the supply and demand, this is definitely a valid level, and a valid level that I will be paying attention to. Even better level is going to be right here, and these wicks are usually being filled. So the likelihood of gold coming all the way down to around 2005 is quite big. You want to be a little bit more precise. So you can't really be though, because basically the zone is between 2000 all the way up to 2012. So the zone is quite big. What you can do in these scenarios is once again open SVP, but there is no volume at all too. So it's pretty hard to find one key level inside the zone. Just be aware that this level is going to be very important, and do believe that this level is going to be hit. Also, you got plenty of confluences with the liquidity below the lows here. So personally, like, the ideal scenario would actually be, instead of going only to this level here, all the way down here, that would be even better zone, and that is even more likely scenario to occur on the chart, in my opinion. I'm short on you now, targeting 15-minute POC. What do you think? Let's finish with the gold chart, and then we're gonna cover the Euro USD short that you took. Personally, I don't believe I probably know where is the POC of today. It's pretty much lower from where we are right now. So I would be very cautious. I don't believe that there is a high chance that we're gonna hit the level, but we're gonna cover it together and we'll see. So currently, what I would be expecting on gold? Well, I would actually go and start looking for short positions. Sounds maybe a little bit weird, but why I'm thinking about this is that I'm really looking for this huge level to be hit. Local time frame is switching bearish, and this is pretty key zone, in my opinion, on a gold chart. So the most likely scenario, in my opinion, is coming up here and then all the way down there. This could be potentially a very, very nice setup. I'm gonna mark it with the entry level or with the alert up here, and we'll see how it goes. All right, Euro USD. Let's cover it. So the POC of today is pretty low. I think it's coming up here. Yes. I would be taking profit here. Like if I were shorting, I would be taking profit here on this level, to be fair. I do believe it's quite far away, and there is quite a big chance that the POC will be changing throughout the day. What is the best session for you to trade Euro USD? Start of London or middle of US? I kind of realized that this long high time frame wicks are points price like to reprice for efficient market price delivery. Yes, and I absolutely agree with you. These price levels are very, very important, and this is something that is extremely easy to backtest. You really need to give it just like few rules, and that is you are basically done. So, for example, measure wicks on 4-hour time frame that are bigger than 30 points or 30 pips. And then you can do pretty easy backtesting, pretty easy data, pretty easy statistics that will actually help you in trading. It's amazing. Would be nice to see what you think on Euro out. I don't really trade these pairs, bro, and I would do it. It doesn't matter from the time and the energy perspective. What does matter though is that I'm not really used to these pairs, and I can give you completely wrong insights that can lead you to losing money in the end. So I'm not gonna do it just because of this. Not really that I'm lazy and I don't want to do it. I would do it for you, but I don't want to be giving you any advice on the things that I'm not really good at. And if I'm not good at trading Euro out, I'm not gonna be doing any analysis. Is MT5 working on 4 traders? I see a lot of prop firms leaving MT5. Yeah, so far the MT5 works. We'll be implementing the X-Trade too. Hi, bro. I'm from Brazil. Amazing. It's crazy to see that we are getting people from all over the world. That's pretty amazing. Let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin is skyrocketing higher and higher and higher. What should I say? Glad that we have some crypto portfolio. And that is really all about it. I'm still obviously a little bit sad that we didn't hit this level here at 38,000. That was my buying zone. Unfortunately, you can't really do anything with it. We basically hit this demand at 38,500. That was the low. And from here, we missed approximately 40%. Could have been a lot of money made, but yeah, can't really do anything with it. The retracement level on Euro USD this does make a lot of sense to me, honestly. Just coming in below this zone here. This is a high probability trade, high probability zone, and I would be looking for hitting this level. I would say tomorrow or Wednesday. More likely tomorrow, to be fair. To which country did Mateusz travel to? Colombia, I believe. I think Colombia. I think he should be already doing some Instagram posts, but I don't have Instagram on my phone, so I can't even check it. You see, if I'm gonna type in Instagram, I don't have it, which is a big tip for you guys. If you want to be productive and you want to be doing some things, creating some things, then just delete social medias. We will be shooting day in the life tomorrow, and I will show you how I'm not using social medias throughout the day, because that is really a big change. So you bullish or bearish on Euro USD? That's a good question, because basically I'm both. Locally I'm bearish to around this level here. Once we are here, I'm bullish, and I'm looking for a move up. What is the name of the car meetup that will be in summer? It's not a meetup. It's a rally, basically, from London to Monaco. It's called Modball. come to Slovakia. We should do some meetup in Slovakia. Deleted Instagram today. Perfect. What I do, because sometimes you'll notice that I will answer you on Instagram. So every time when I'm downloading Instagram with some big purpose, which is usually like answering people, posting something, but not consuming, but creating content. That is extremely important for me. And every time when I answer you, it's just because that I downloaded Instagram. I have like 15-minute window for answering all the questions, and then I delete it again. And I started answering with like the voice messages, and that's much better. It's faster. You can answer easier, and you are also building like a relationship with people. Because also I want to be answering to all the questions. I appreciate the fans, and I appreciate the people that follow me, because obviously it's at the 2023, basically like last 3 months of 2023, start of 2024, the course and the whole community became like a big part of my income, which I'm really open about, and I don't feel any need to really hide this, because we are actually helping people, and that is like a big thing for me. It's if I were selling a product that is bullshit and it's not helping people, I would stop doing it. But these people that are hiding that they are like selling courses and making a lot of money on courses, usually their product is bad. So they are not like confident in it, and they don't want to share it that they make a lot of money from the course. I do make a lot of money from the course, and I'm fucking happy with that. Why? Because I'm helping a lot of people. And that was the goal, to make money, but to also help a lot of people. And look at this. It's the amount of certificates, the amount of people that we helped. It's just incredible. It's like dozens of people right here. Look at this. It's literally 50 plus traders that we changed their lives. And I'm happy for that. And of course that I charge some money for that. So I see sometimes a lot of people saying, oh yeah, but he's selling a course. He's making a lot of money from course. I fucking do. But, I deserve it. I created a product that is helping people to become funny traders, to, start living their dream, to start having success in life. And I do charge money for that. And I'm happy that we created this product. And I'm really confident in saying that I do make money in trading, but I also do make a lot of money from course, which is, I think, absolutely fine. I think you now took the liquidity on 5 minutes. We have 2 tops that was taken. Let's check it. I wouldn't really class... well, potentially, you can be right. You swept this demand right here. Okay, one could say, okay, this is very risky trade in my opinion, but you are right. The mind process would be like this. Basically, stop loss and looking for the zone down here. This is a valid trade setup, to be completely honest with you. And I'm thinking that I'm actually going to take the trade. No, I won't. It wasn't in favor with the plan that I created. So if you want to take it, this is a valid trade setup that I teach inside the community. But if you want to be aggressive, go ahead. This is a valid trade, in my opinion. What strategy do you teach in your course? Like, I'm price action swing trader. Will it suit me? At the moment, not really, I would say. But I will be covering the strategy thing, the whole strategy, basically very, very deep course, soon on the platform, within a few weeks. And that's going to be absolute game changer. Like, I can't imagine how many funny traders we will create, since right now we are creating plenty of them. Once we will release this module, I believe it's going to be like 3 times more. It's going to be like crazy. I bought your course yesterday, and it is awesome. Probably best investment in my life. I really, really do appreciate it. But it's just, I thought that we have like finished product, but the last 48 hours, we literally realized that there is so many things missing that the course will be 300% better, literally. Like, we will be implementing so many new things into it in the upcoming weeks and months. So for people that bought it for, the first price was like 5,000 Czech crowns. They will have so much value. It's going to be crazy. And my vision and my mission here is to change the opinion about trading. That is the first thing. And second thing is create as many of funded traders as we can. And if you check now how many funded traders we created, perfect. But with the things that we're going to add, it's going to be completely game changer. Yes, I have it exactly like that. Yeah, I learned it from you. Perfect. Nice. Nice. No, we're gonna be shutting down the English course. We are going probably, or not probably. I can say it already. We are going full focus on the Czech community. Honestly, uh, because the thing is that on the English scene there is plenty of people that actually have great courses that can teach you a lot. In Czechia, it's quite debatable. I would say not a lot of good courses in my opinion, and we're gonna change that. We're gonna be the best ones. And we are already, I would say, with the results that we have, with the community that we have, and with what we do. I would say we are the best trading community in terms of prop firms, and we're gonna be much better in upcoming 2, 3, 4 months. When will the masterclass be? Very, very soon. Actually, very soon. The announcement will be also very, very soon. So stay tuned. When will the O be repaired? I don't know. It's a good point, actually. Yeah, it actually takes around. Last time it took me like 16 hours. Now, I think they have some delay right now. The thing is that I'm really just a trader. I don't really know a lot about these things. Honestly, I don't know a lot about payouts. What I do know is just teaching people how to trade, and I'm trading myself, and that's really all I know inside of the four traders. Basically, I'm not even like on a daily basis inside of four traders. I'm just coming here to do streams, to do live trading. But then apart from that, I'm just like in my own office that we got in Prague, trading with other few uh, employees or people that I have inside the office. How can we join the community? Are you from Czechia? Hopefully you are. This is the course. Can you take a look on GBPJPY? Guys, I'm not training it, but I can do like a quick one for you. I don't know nothing about the fundamentals behind it, but I would be buying here, GBPJPY, this level here. Looks decent. Liquidity, naked POC, supply or demand. That's a valid level. Right, guys, I'm gonna be collapsing the stream. We have the plan. I think GBP. Thank you. Perfect. Congrats. I do a great job in teaching, I guess. I don't want to be cocky here. I'm just making fun. But if you have the same level, perfect. I would be looking for the zone too for buying. All right. Crypto Wizards are the best community, and definitely you have the best course. And I'm really happy that I decided to buy it. Perfect. I'm really happy to hear this. It's amazing feeling, and the feedback that I'm getting every single day. This I think that you can see on myself how happy I am, and I'm working for literally 15 hours a day. Like today, I was brainstorming the whole weekend basically. So that's in my opinion quite work. It's not like chilling with friends on the weekend. It's just thinking about the business. Today we started at 7 a.m. We had a cold plunge. Basically, we went to a pool. So I'm just like try harding all the time, and I'm really happy all the time because the life that I have at the age of 19, I appreciate it so much. I really do. I'm financially free. I can buy all the things that I want. I have an amazing community. I have people that have respect for me. I have students that I change their lives. Like, what more could I possibly want? It's really amazing, and I do imagine, or I do realize that. All right, guys. Thank you so much. That is it for today. I enjoyed the stream, and see you again on Thursday, where we'll be going through another live trading session. Uh, this wasn't really a live trading, kind of. I gave you the plan on you, but we didn't really take it because I was a little bit late with that. But if it's gonna retrace potential trade for you, I'm done for today. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm shooting a day in the life, and there may be a little bit small surprise for some people that are in Prague. And yeah, you'll see. Thank you guys, and see ya all on Thursday.